Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to withdraw Polkadot from your Coinbase wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're diversifying your holdings or just exploring new wallet options, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. Open the app and navigate to your Polkadot balance. Double-check that you have enough DOT tokens to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. Remember, crypto transactions aren't free. Next, head over to the Send or Withdraw section in Coinbase Wallet. This is usually found in the main menu or directly on your asset page. You'll need to select Polkadot as the cryptocurrency you're sending. Now, enter the recipient address from your Trust Wallet. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address directly from Trust Wallet to avoid any typos that could send your funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake, so stay sharp. Once you've pasted the address, input the amount of Polkadot you want to withdraw. Take a moment to review the transaction details, including the estimated fees and the network you'll be using. Polkadot has its own blockchain, so ensure it's set correctly. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Trust Wallet app and check your Polkadot balance. You should see the funds reflected there. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully transferred your assets. A quick word of caution: always use secure internet connections for these operations and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets. Crypto security is key in 2025, with scams on the rise. If you run into any issues, reach out to the wallet support teams. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. See you in the next one.